Hey guys, this is Caleb with Black Pearl Media. Thanks for stopping by, and today we're gonna go over what I got in the mail today, which you probably already saw in the thumbnail, but whatever. We're gonna open it up, so let's go. Okay, so I came home to these packages. I have been waiting for them for a couple days here. Amazon Prime is just a wonderful thing. But I think I know exactly what this is. And yep, that's one of them. I'll have to figure out which one goes with which, because I got two of them. So, it's not an unboxing channel, so. Okay, let's take a look. Aren't these things sick? I am so excited for these. So these are my new to me vintage lenses. They're probably between 40 and 60 years old. This one might be a little bit newer than this one, but I just wanted to show them because I'm very, very excited for them. So this is my Leica 135. So this is gonna give me a lot of range when I'm shooting. So if I have a shot that's pretty far away, I will be using this lens to capture that. It is 2.8. I think it's 2.8. So 2.8 aperture means that it's not going to be so great in like low light conditions, but I'm looking more for this to capture that range. The lens I'm shooting on right now does very decent in low light, so that's really good. That's what I'm going to use it for. This definitely has its place. Now you might be thinking, why did I get a 60-year-old lens? Well, because the glass is super quality. The coating on here is super quality. It was good back then, it's good now, and it's a good alternative to, you know, spending multiple thousands of dollars on a modern lens. This investment was only, I think I only paid 175 bucks for this. Ty, if you're watching this, thanks for the deal, dude. I appreciate it. You know, this is a nice thing to have in your bag, a good option, and the quality is there. The video quality is there, the image is there, and I cannot wait to use this. I'm sorry I don't have any test footage for you right now, but I'm sure that will be coming up in the future. I just wanted to show you this and what I got in the mail. Now before I show you what I got in the mail and what those things are and what they do, is I want to show you my 50mm. So this is a Nikon 50mm 1.4 aperture. So this is going to be better in low light. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not really a lens expert at this time. I would love to learn more and more, and I'm like a dog with a bone. I'm getting into this. I really want to learn more. So what better way than actually to purchase these old vintage lenses and tinker with them a bit and get to know them, get my hands on them and everything. And one thing I did already to this 50mm is I declicked it. So if you can see in there, let's see if I can get it to show you. See how it opens and closes, opens and closes. I'm trying to see if I can get that. Anyways, no noise. It did have a clicking noise like this. The Leica has this. You can hear it. Ready? So the reason why I declicked it is because when I'm shooting video, if I'm in the middle of something, I have to make a little bit of a slight adjustment. I don't want to hear in the shot. So that's why I declicked it, and I will be declicking this one. I might make a video on it, I don't know, but it is fun to tinker with it, kind of pull it apart. It's a little scary, but definitely fun. Now, on to what I got today in the mail are these adapter plates right here. So obviously those lenses are from many moons ago, and they weren't anticipated to fit on this mount for this camera. So you can get these adapter plates pretty inexpensive and very useful. So I think this one's for the 50, so let's just see what's going on here. Yep, I think this is the one. Oh no, darn it. I tried to get it first try for you guys, but oh well, what are you gonna do? Such is life. Boom. So that mount is now on. So that mount's now on, so now I can switch this lens over to this one if I wanted to, which I think I'm gonna try with the 50mm right now. So to close out this video, you'll see it on the 50mm. If I put the Leica on, you'd be staring like at the tip of my nose because it's so zoomed in. So let's switch over to that real quick. So, all right, how does that look? So obviously I'm a little bit more zoomed in. I was shooting in 18mm on my other lens there. This is 50mm. It is a prime lens, so it doesn't go from like 25 to 50. This is all you get. But check out the bokeh in the background, so nice. And I think the image is pretty clear from what I can see on the LCD screen, at least. So watch, I'm gonna put it in post and it's gonna be super blurry. I hope that's not the case, but this lens is crisp. I love it. So I will definitely be doing some more video sequences with this coming up in the future, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I got these adapter plates in and a couple more lenses in the arsenal to use. So really looking forward to using them. And if you have any experience with these older lenses, if you have any tips for me, tricks, anything, I'm willing to hear about it. But just wanted to show you that these are an option for if you want to get into videography and maybe you're on a tight budget. These lenses I think would be a great starting point for you as a videographer or as a photographer. So take a look into them, do your research. Lots of YouTube videos on there, a lot more detailed than what I'm getting into, because like I said, I'm not a lens expert, I'm not a camera expert, but I'm learning more and more every single day, and these lenses are a pretty cool thing that I discovered, and I'm really looking forward to messing around with them some more. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We are getting to that 200 subscribe mark by the end of the week. I think it's like 6 or 5 more days, something like that. If we do reach 200 subscribers, then I will be giving out an Amazon gift card, and I will let you guys know about that at the end. So this is Caleb with Black Pearl Media signing off for tonight. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.